Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share very simple but highly effective immune boosting side dish Shunti Tambuli or ginger yogurt curry. Usually it is a side dish for rice during summer days with the simple ingredients which are commonly available in almost all kitchens. We can make a healthy recipe during this crucial period. Let us start with the recipe. Heat half spoon of fresh desi cow's ghee in a small cast iron pan. For this add 1/4 spoon of cumin seeds and 6 to 8 grains of pepper. Cast iron pan helps for the better absorption of iron. Roast them on low flame for a while. For this add 1-inch size ginger cut into small pieces and roast it for 1 minute. Put off the flame and allow it to cool. Take 1/4 cup of grated fresh coconut in a grinding jar. For this add roasted spices. I have already uploaded videos regarding the detailed health benefits of ingredients used in this video. If you are interested, you can check the link in the description box below. Add little water and grind it to form smooth paste like chutney. Transfer it to a bowl. For this add 1 cup of thick fresh buttermilk. If you are using curd, then grind it along with coconut and spices. Add little rock salt to taste and mix well. This is the consistency of tambuli. Now tempering. Heat little ghee in a cast iron pan. Add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. When they splatter, pour it over the tambuli. Healthy side dish Shunti Tambuli is ready to serve. Eat healthy, live healthy. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you for watching.